guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. Today let's learn how to make chicken pakoda, best for rainy season. To all our chicken lovers, let's learn how to make it. Here I have 800 grams of chicken and I have taken breast piece over here and cut it into really small pieces. Here I have ginger. I have taken 1 inch of ginger. Here I have 1 pod of garlic. Here I have 4 green chilies, half cup of curd. This is corn flour, approximately 3 spoons of corn flour is here, and that is half spoon of peppercorns. Here I have cinnamon and cloves. I have 3 cloves and this much cinnamon. Here I have besan or gram flour. Here I have half teaspoon of turmeric. Here I have 2 spoons of rice flour, 1 lemon, 1 egg, and we have handful of curry leaves. Let's learn to make it. Now we'll take our chicken. Here it is 800 grams. Here I'm going to crack 1 egg. And I'm going to add half a lemon. I've mixed this chicken. Now we'll add our corn flour. Here I have maida. I have gram flour, that is besan, and half teaspoon of turmeric. We'll add all this and mix it. Now to our mixie we'll add ginger, we'll add garlic, we'll add curry leaves, we'll add 4 slit green chilies. Here we are adding our pepper, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 inch of small cinnamon stick. Then we'll add our curd. Now I'm going to put some salt according to my taste. And here I have the masala which we grinded. We'll add it to our chicken. And we'll mix it. Here I have little chili powder and some sesame seeds. These two are optional. You can add this. Here I'm going to take some extra curry leaves just to fry. All these ingredients are optional. Now we have mixed this. Let's marinate it for 15 minutes. Now our oil is heated. We have to shallow fry the kebab because it will become very soft. Now our chicken pakoda is ready to serve. Let's see how it's come. Oh my god guys, can you see it? It's so soft and so juicy. I can't wait to try it. Very yummy. You guys must try this, especially on a rainy day. Subscribe for more recipes. Bye bye.